Hi there and welcome to our video on factors, multiples and prime factors exam questions. Our first exam question states, write down a multiple of 7 that is between 20 and 30. So let's just write out the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Which one is between 20 and 30? You can have 21 or 28. We just need one. Okay, that would be 1 mark. Next question, write down the first even multiple of 9. Let's write down the multiples. 9, 18. 18 is an even number, and so that will be your answer. Again, for 1 mark. Next question, here is a list of numbers. From the numbers on the list, write down an even number. Remember, it needs to end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And which one does that? It's 40. So 40 is an even number. Write down a multiple of 7. You can see 35 is a multiple of 7. Sorry, 35. Yeah, and both of them would be 1 mark each. Write 40 as a product of its prime factors. So let's have a look now. How do we work out the prime factors? Well, we can use it this way. 40, smallest prime number is 2, that goes into 20, still goes into 2, 10 is 2, and then 5 is 1. Okay, so you could write 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, or you can write 2 cubed multiplied by 5 in index form. Okay, next question, find the highest common factor of 60 and 14. So 60 is 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5. So 60 as a product of its primes is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Let's have a look at 114. Starting off with 2, 57. What does 57 go into? It goes into 3, it doesn't go into 2. It goes into 3 19 times. And then 19 is a prime number, so we would have it something like that. So this one is equal to 60, and this one, 2 times 3 times 19, is equal to 114. Now, in order to work out the highest common factor, let's circle the numbers in common. 2, 2, 3, 3. Those are the numbers in common. So we have our HCF as 2 multiplied by 3, and that would get you an answer of 6. Okay, so 6 would be your highest common factor. Okay, next question. It asks us to find the lowest common multiple of 120 and 150. So let's go through the same process. Let's find the prime factors of 120 and 150 first. So 120, 2, 60, 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. So 120 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 150, what's the smallest prime number that goes into 150? It's 2. And that would get you 75. Now into 75, what will go? 3 will go. So it would be 25. The next prime number is 5, 5, 5, and 1. So you would have 2 times 3 times 5 times 5, and that's going to be equal to 150. Now the next step is we find out the highest common factor. So the HCF, so 2, 2, there's no more 2's, 3, 3, and 5, and 5. So we have our HCF multiplier is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, and that would get you an answer of 30. Yeah, so our HCF is 30. Now to find our LCM, we do our HCF multiplied by the rest of the numbers. Okay, so we have 30 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So 30 multiplied by 2 is 60, 60 multiplied by 2 is 120, and then 120 multiplied by 5 is going to give you an answer of 600. Okay, so the lowest common multiple of 120 and 150 is 600. Okay, and that would be your answer. Next question, we have a worded question this time. Two buses, bus A and bus B, both use the same bus stop. Bus A runs every 10 minutes and bus B runs every 14 minutes. Both buses are at the bus stop at 11 a.m. What time will both buses next be at the bus stop? So in this case, we need to work out the lowest common multiple, because it's saying what time will both of the buses both be at the bus stop at the same time. So we need to work out the same time. If we work out the highest common factor, it wouldn't give us the time that comes that they're going to be at the bus stop at the same time, and then we would need to add it to 11 a.m. So let's work out the prime factors of 10. So bus A is 10, 2, 5, 5 and 1. So it's 2 multiplied by 5. Then you have bus B, and then you have 14, which is 2, 7 and 7. So you would have 2 multiplied by 7, which is 14. Let's work out the highest common factor. We only have 2 in each of them, so the highest common factor is going to be 2. So the HCF is going to be 2. So the LCM is going to be 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. And that's going to give you an answer of 70. So your LCM is going to be 70. So the next time that they're going to meet together is going to be in 70 minutes. So what time will it be in 70 minutes if it's 11 a.m. at the moment? 70 minutes is also known as 1 hour 10 minutes. So 1 hour 10 minutes from 11 a.m. is going to be 12:10 p.m. Okay, that would be your answer for this one. Next question, another worded question. Light A flashes every 8 seconds, light B flashes every 20 seconds. Both lights flash at the same time. Work out how long it would take for both lights to flash at the same time. Again, this time you need to work out the LCM once more. So light A is 8. So let's work out the prime factors. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then if we do the same with light B, 20 to 10 to 5. So we would have 2 times 2 times 5. Let's work out the HCF, which is going to be 2 multiplied by 2, as they both come up in both equations. So 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. Okay, that's the HCF. Now we need to work out the LCM. So we do the HCF multiplied by the rest of the numbers. So it's going to be 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, which would get you an answer of 40. So in the next 40 seconds, they're going to flash again. So work out how long it will take for both lights to flash at the same time. Again, your answer will be 40 seconds. Next question. This is our final question. 648 is equal to 2 cubed multiplied by 3 to the power of 4. 540 is 2 squared multiplied by 3 cubed multiplied by 5. Write down the highest common factor of 648 and 540. So if we have a look now, 648 is equal to 2 cubed multiplied by 3 to the power of 4. So 648 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Let's do the same with 540. 540 is going to be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. To work out the highest common factor, which ones come in each? So 2 and 2, 2 and 2. Then we don't have another 2 in here, but we have 3, 3 and 3. We have another 3 and 3. And then we have another 3 and 3. Yeah, so those are the numbers which come up in both sets. So now all you need to do is do 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And that would get you an answer of 108. Okay, that would be worth 1 mark. So the next question says find the lowest common multiple LCM of 648 and 540. Remember, to find the LCM, you do the HCF multiplied by the rest of the numbers, and our HCF is equal to 108. Which numbers do we have left? We have 2, we have 3, and we have 5. Okay, so we would do our HCF is equal to 108 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. You can just type that into your calculator. 108 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, which would get you an answer of 3240. Okay, and you can even check your answer by doing 3240 divided by 648, and you should get a whole number. And you can do the same with 540 and you will still get a whole number. Okay, and this question is worth 1 mark, this question is worth 2 marks. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and one last thing, please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell.